Canva Create 2026 has been rolled out live 2 days ago. If you want to watch the full keynote from your Canva homepage, click where it says sneak peek. You will have access to the keynote as well as the changes that Canva has rolled out in full. You can go watch it today. What is one of the biggest changes we've seen this year? It is Canva AI 2.0. Canva calls this their most significant product evolution since them launching in 2013, transforming Canva into a conversational agentic platform where teams can go from spark of an idea to a complete published work in one place. The shift Canva is making is huge. They are no longer a design platform with AI tools. They are now positioning themselves as an AI platform with design tools. As creators, especially in Africa, one of the things that we've been crying about, and that's a big feature that I want to start with you, is Canva offline. My goodness, this one is so valuable to all of us. Canva has rolled out Canva offline. Where you're going to find it, if you are busy designing and you click where it usually saves automatically for us, there's a new feature that's available that's called Make Available Offline. So what does it do? It makes the design that you're busy with go offline, and then you're able to continue working even if you don't have Wi-Fi. And you can add images, add whatever you want to add on there, and then you continue designing while you're offline. You can find your offline designs from your Canva homepage when you are offline, and they'll be indicated as available offline. What is going to happen when you switch back online? Canva automatically syncs it to your design, and then you carry on like that, and you don't lose your work. This is something that we've been crying for a very long time. If you use the Make Available Offline feature on your device, maybe you're working on a computer, it's only going to be available on your computer because that's where you made it to be available offline. If you want it on your phone or your tablet as well, go to that device and make it offline there as well so that you're able to continue working. Let's look at conversational design. This is Canva AI 2.0 that you're either going to find it on Canva AI when you select Canva AI, which then open up the what will you design today functionality where we can describe our idea and then start designing. The options that are available are design, image, doc, code, and video. We're used to these because we're talking about design today. We're going to click where it says design, and then it asks you what is it that you want to design. Then you can choose, okay, I want a social media, or I want a presentation, I want whatever it is that you want. And then you have a conversation with the AI over here. The tips that we got from Canva, like any other prompt, you need to be clear. You need to give more context. You need to be prepared to ask for a second rerun of that request that you've sent the first time. It's not possible that you get it right the first time you try unless you're super lucky. So you will describe what idea you want the AI to bring to life. You could say then create. Then you can press your enter, and then it starts opening up a brand new design on editor that you are able to then start continuing the conversation, and then it designs for you. This is the conversational design that we are talking about. The tool is going to start mapping the idea out, finalizing information, going to your own designs that you've created before, because now it has a living memory that it has been embedded to the tool, and then it will start designing for you. So here are the designs that it came up with, master the skills, and then you're going to look at this and you're like, okay, I like it, I don't like it. Then you can continue the conversation over where it says describe your idea, to say change the color to green, and then you add whatever you need to add, because there is a functionality of uploading your brand or applying your brand, add or import things that you want, and then it continues designing for you, which is the conversational design we're talking about. And then it's done. And there's the colors changed to what I want. The nice thing is all of the elements are separate. You can start making changes like a designer, changing your font, changing your colors, your animations, your effects, etc. You can go ahead, make those normal changes that you want to make as a designer. See, it also knows my learnwithzat.com website, so it does have a living memory, which we're going to cover just now. The one thing I want to share with you is most new designers get very apprehensive when they want to design. So there's a free tool that I've created to help you start the conversation. It's a build scroll stopping design prompts that I've created. So it helps you as a new designer start the conversation with the Canva AI 2.0 design. So how does it work? You're going to do a selection between the types that you want for design type, the style, the mood, and so on. So say you want presentation, you select presentation, and then it starts adding it to your prompt below. Then you make your choice of maybe you want futuristic, and then you scroll the mood. Maybe you want professional or edgy. You select it, or bold, energetic, and then you continue scrolling down. You choose your color palette, let's say monochrome, and then you scroll and you start picking the extras, which could be include text placeholders, and then photorealistic, and maybe include white spaces and use bold typography, and then your prompt is done. So you can click on copy the prompt, and then it takes it and put it to your copy, and then you can go to Canva and go make the prompt there. It does have a surprise me and a clear all that you can use. Canva gave us the tips, so I've added them here so that you can be reminded how to go about when you're building a perfect prompt. Head over to Canva and then select design, and then select presentation because that's what we want to create. Pick your audience and then select the style. Yes, Canva does have different styles that you can select, and then you can select how long the presentation should be. Let's make this one 1 to 5, and then you paste the prompt over there. And then this is where you put additional information. So you're going to add whatever you want to add on. So let's say we want to create a presentation for Perplexity versus ChatGPT, and we want the tool to create a presentation for us with that. Then you're going to press your enter, and then it starts generating the presentation. The tool then starts working on it and creating what we want and getting it ready, and then we just wait. And then it will start giving us an outline of how the presentation is going to look like. You can click on the drop-down arrows to make changes. You can even go to your describe your idea and make changes there. And then if you are comfortable and you're happy and you don't want to make any more changes, you just press generate presentation and it starts generating the presentation. Anyway, wait. Cool stuff. The presentation is beautiful. It's created, it's monochrome, and it's done. So we love it. We start making changes. Remember, so all of the elements are free and you can make changes as you want and images just like you would do a normal design on Canva. And that's pretty much it. So the tool is available for you in the description field. You can go ahead and use it. And if you like it, let me know in the comments below if it is helping you, especially if you're a new designer. Our next session is about Canva creating credits for this Canva AI 2.0. So we are allocated credits for the different accounts that we have, or the type of account you have with Canva. There's free credits and there's pro credits, and it's still a gray kind of an area right now. I wanted to share this with you so that you are aware and you don't go ahead and create all willy-nilly and you lose out your credits thinking it's the old school type of Canva. So there are limits, there are credits that are available. So make sure that you know about them and you can Google them. I'll link one of these blogs in the description so that you can go and explore a little bit further. So tell me in the comments, are you excited with the changes that we're seeing? I'm certainly excited. If you've missed this, Canva's Magic Studio has upgraded their video. So if you select an image and you go to edit and you go over to tools, we have an image to video that Canva introduced a while back. They just increased the seconds of the videos that we could create. It used to be 3 seconds. They've upgraded it to 5 seconds. So you click on it. It takes not a long time for it to grab the image and create a short video for you. And then it is also very, very cool. Let me know if you're going to be using this image to video. The last feature is living memory. When you select your Canva AI, living memory starts with you answering questions about you or creating a about me to the Canva AI memory. So the memory is going to remember you as a designer based on the designs that you've already created on Canva. So if you select a create about me based on the designs that you've created, it starts having a memory of who you are as a designer. It will create a document, but it will start saving the memory in its memory, like your ChatGPT, so that it starts getting to know you as the designer. And when you are designing, it will pull information from the memory to try and make things easy for you and personalize your designs going forward. I think this is really one of those I love features. Let me know if you like the living memory, or let me know in the comments below which one of these features you love the most. And there we go. The About Me is created. When I click and open it up, it opens a Canva doc and it knows me now and it saves it in the memory. And then when I'm designing, it will remember who I am and how I am as a designer.